When you buy a brand new iPhone, you think you're in total control of it. You organize your home screen, you configure your Face ID, and you tweak your notification settings. But the reality is, the interface you interact with every day is just a highly polished, simplified layer designed for the masses. Underneath that surface lies a completely hidden playground of advanced engineering, a set of developer-level and deep menu options that 99% of users never activate. We aren't talking about basic tips like changing your wallpaper or setting a timer. We are pulling back the curtain on powerful system-level overrides, custom automation tricks, and deep accessibility diagnostics that are quietly baked into your iOS software. These features are so well hidden that Apple rarely mentions them in their keynotes, yet enabling just one of them can completely transform how you interact with your device. How deep do you usually go into your iPhone settings? Are you a default user, or do you love hunting for hidden menus? Let me know below. Segment 1. Access Acceleration, the secret back button. Let's start with a physical feature that is literally built into the glass on the back of your phone, but requires a manual key to unlock. It's called Back Tap, and it lives deep inside your accessibility menu. By utilizing the iPhone's internal accelerometer, the sensor that detects motion and orientation, Apple has essentially turned the entire rear chassis of your phone into one massive, customizable macro button. To turn this on, you have to go to Settings, then Accessibility, select Touch, and scroll all the way to the bottom to find Back Tap. From here, you can assign completely custom system actions to a quick double tap or triple tap on the back of your bare phone or case. Instead of clumsily stretching your thumb to pull down the control center or taking 3 steps to open your digital wallet at a checkout counter, a simple double tap can execute the action instantly. You can even link it to custom Siri shortcuts, allowing you to instantly launch a specific voice memo, open a note-taking app, or trigger a smart home scene without ever illuminating your screen. If you could map a double tap on the back of your iPhone to do absolutely anything, what shortcut would you choose? Drop a comment. Segment 2. Sound Diagnostics, Sound Recognition Security. The next hidden layer moves from tactile engineering to advanced acoustic machine learning. Tucked away under the hearing section of your settings is a powerhouse tool called sound recognition. When you toggle this feature on, your iPhone's microphone array stops just listening to your voice commands and begins actively analyzing your entire ambient environment in real time. Running entirely on local, on-device silicon to preserve your absolute privacy, the phone constantly filters background audio frequencies looking for specific crisis acoustic signatures. It can instantly isolate and identify the sound of a fire alarm, a crying baby, a barking dog, car horns, or even dripping water. The moment the system detects one of these targeted frequencies, it overrides whatever app you are using and pushes a high-priority, persistent banner notification to your display. For anyone working with heavy noise-canceling headphones or dealing with hearing difficulties, it effectively transforms your iPhone into a highly vigilant, 24/7 environmental security guard. Do you find the idea of your iPhone constantly analyzing background sounds for safety comforting, or does it feel a bit too invasive? Let's talk about it. Segment 3. Display Architecture, the True Dark Mode Override. We all know about standard dark mode, but for many users, the default contrast adjustment isn't enough to prevent intense late-night eye strain. If you find yourself staring at your screen in pitch-black rooms, there is a hidden display override that goes far beyond lowering your brightness slider. It's called Reduce White Point. When you slide your brightness down to 0% using the standard control center slider, the screen still emits a substantial amount of harsh blue spectrum light backlighting. But by navigating to Settings, Accessibility, Display, and Text Size, and enabling Reduce White Point, you unlock an independent percentage slider. This setting actively dims the overall intensity of bright colors and white highlights at a system level. By turning this down, you can make your screen significantly darker than the official factory minimum setting. It is the absolute ultimate feature for late-night reading, or keeping your phone completely inconspicuous in a dark room without straining your retinas. Do you get headaches or eye strain from using your iPhone at night? Would a super dim screen feature help you sleep better? Let me know. Segment 4. System Diagnostics, Unlocking Developer Mode. For the tech enthusiasts looking to see exactly what is happening under the hood of iOS, there is a hidden command center built entirely for engineers called Developer Mode. Apple intentionally keeps this completely invisible to prevent the average user from accidentally altering core system behaviors, but unlocking it gives you a fascinating look into your hardware's performance. To expose this menu, you have to navigate to Settings, Privacy, and Security, and scroll all the way to the absolute bottom. Once you toggle Developer Mode on, your device will require a full security reboot and your passcode to confirm the initialization. Inside this advanced menu, you gain access to powerful diagnostic tools. You can run local graphics performance logging, view real-time network protocol behavior, test custom app protocols, and analyze how background assets are distributing memory across your RAM. It is a fascinating look behind the corporate curtain, revealing the exact tools Apple engineers use to stress test iPhones inside their testing labs. Have you ever explored developer options on a computer or smartphone before, or does messing with system diagnostics make you nervous? Drop a comment below. Segment 5. Performance Tuning, Live Performance Toggles. Once you have exposed some of the deeper diagnostic paths on newer iOS versions, you can find hidden optimization tools like the Live Performance Mode toggle tucked inside Advanced Accessibility and System submenus. This is an incredibly niche setting that essentially instructs the operating system to temporarily override its standard battery-saving constraints in favor of raw processing power. By default, iOS is aggressively optimized to throttle your CPU and GPU speeds to maximize your daily battery health and control heat dissipation. But when you engage this performance-heavy override, the phone prioritizes sustained frame rates and instantaneous compute cycles. Whether you are rendering a complex video edit on the fly, handling massive data transfers, or running intensive augmented reality environments, this mode ensures your hardware operates at its absolute peak threshold without micro-stuttering. It's a tool designed purely for power users who want to wring every ounce of performance out of their device, regardless of the battery draw. Would you run your phone in a high-performance mode if it meant charging it more often, or is maximizing your battery life your top priority? Segment 6. Massive Productivity Text Replacement Mastery. The final hidden feature we need to highlight is an incredibly powerful productivity engine that lives inside your standard keyboard settings. It's called text replacement, and while it seems simple on paper, it acts as a massive shortcut engine once you configure it properly. Think about how many times a day you have to type out your full email address, your home shipping address, or generic corporate replies to messages. By going to Settings, General, Keyboard, and selecting Text Replacement, you can map complex text blocks to short, simple text triggers. For example, you can set the trigger AT to instantly expand into your full, complex business email address. You can set My Address to instantly paste your entire multi-line shipping destination. It completely eliminates typo anxiety, bypasses autocorrect bugs, and can save an absolute power user hours of typing friction over the course of a single month. What is the one phrase or email you are absolutely tired of typing out manually every single day? Let's share ideas below. Take control of your hardware. Ultimately, the iPhone is a far more capable, modular piece of machinery than Apple's minimalistic marketing leads you to believe. The settings we explored today prove that if you are willing to look past the default options, you can customize your device to be a hyper-vigilant safety tool, a streamlined productivity monster, or a high-performance computing machine. Taking 10 minutes to dive deep into these menus allows you to break out of the cookie-cutter user experience and tailor your daily hardware to fit your precise needs. Which of these hidden features are you going to turn on first? Are you going to map your backtap macro or build out your custom text replacements? Let me know your configuration plans down in the comments section below. If you found this walkthrough valuable, please hit that like button, subscribe to the Tech Underhood channel so you never miss another deep dive ecosystem update, and I will see you all in the next video. Take care.